Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and I'm back to slay today. Okay. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all having like a really great day when y'all are watching this video. Girl, look, I'm real excited about this. I love when I get a good wig and I could just be excited about it. Like, I love a good wig. Like, who don't love a good wig? It wouldn't make no sense to love a bad wig, right? Like, you don't really want to wear a bad wig. Though I've seen people wear bad wigs. I'm not really sure what era that is, but girl, listen, with Ashimary hair, you're not getting a bad wig. I am an Ashimary girl, okay? That's like a Material Girl by Madonna, but a shimmery girl, okay? Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Y'all see me? I'm decked out. I got my Ashimary stuff on. I am ready to be Ashimmered up, okay? So y'all already know this video is going to go good. Period! And when I tell you they have the best of the best of the best affordable wigs, girl, they do, okay? And you know I don't really call everybody the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Unless you know what I'm saying, you worthy of it. Their packaging, their wigs are just out of this world. Girl, I love a good package. I like getting stuff in the mail. Plus, if you give me extra stuff, girl, I'm really, really excited. When I tell you I am Ashimmered up, I got my Ashimary bonnet, my Ashimary robe, got my Ashimary elastic melting band here with the side ear cuffs so that way my ears don't hurt. Girl, listen, got my Ashimary box. Hello. Let me show you how your wig comes so that way we can jump right into this video and look real cute and then go about our business and about our day. Okay? Okay. This one that I'm about to review today is their pre-everything unit, and it is an 18-inch body wave. So this is what the unit is looking like. Pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-parted, nicely curled. The hairline is exceptional. The lace has been cut. Girl, it comes with an elastic adjustable band. It also does come with 3 combs in the unit, and these combs are also removable. You can actually slide them out of the slots like so. You can easily pull them out, and when you need them, you can just put them back in. There's also a drawstring in the nape, so that way your wig can sit nice and flush and as tight as possible to your head. They are definitely giving you security. Now, the one thing about this cap, I do feel that it's very lightweight and it feels like it's very breathable and comfortable. And there's also some silicone banding around the nape area and around the unit as well. But I'm really digging this cap because it feels really good. Depending on the weather, the curls should stay in the unit once you've already applied them and curled them. Put on and go. Let's do this, ladies.
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. Ooh, no picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked, don't make a sound. Don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space, there's no cheaters allowed. I gave you my word. Try it again, you're gonna lose your girlfriend. The nerve to think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Boy, watch me. Cold-blooded. Memorial service in your name, cold. let it, let it, let it. Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh, oh, oh. Cool. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you're trying to spin the block now. Oh, hell nah. Bring flowers to my job now. Oh, you realize what you lost now. I been pressure never stop now, but I'm way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that.
This wig is fire. Fire and desire. When I tell you it is so comfortable, I cannot get over the cap though. The cap is so lightweight, you can barely feel the cap on your head, which is a plus because I don't like my wig caps to be bulky. You know, sometimes when they're bulky, it makes your scalp just tend to sweat a lot more. But the cap is very light on this unit. You have plenty of support and security, girl. The wig is not going nowhere. And hello, clock it. No hairspray and no glue needed. This is strictly glueless. Put her on, go out the door, and be about your business. It's the fact that I could just throw her on and go. No hairspray, no glue needed. If you want to melt it, which I think the lace is actually really good lace. I didn't use any hairspray, so it's definitely glueless. So this is something, if you're going to work, if you're going to work out, if you're going to hang out, this is something that you can just definitely throw on and go. Quick errands, quick jog around the block. Girl, this wig is not going anywhere. And I like the fullness of this also. 18 inches, this is definitely a good 18 inch. I think Ashimary Hair did a great job with this unit. Very flexible, very easy maintenance. Plus, I really do like the cap. And girl, you could definitely put this up in a pinned up style if you choose to. You know me, I love to just pin it up slightly on the side so that way I can get the hair out of my face.
I gave you my word. Try it again, I'll put you on a bench.
Yeah, this is on point. Look at that. I love when I can pin my hair. I definitely can be appreciative to a wig that you can pull up and not have to worry about any of the tracks. Okay, girl, look, she is definitely cute. She is definitely a winner, chicken dinner. When I tell you this wig came through, I'm loving the lightweight of the cap. This is definitely a wig that you can pin up. You can pull her up. You can side pin her. You can wear her out, put her on, run out the door. This is definitely a winner, okay? Like, all right, girl, look, get you away from Ashimary Hair. I told y'all can fake me later because she's cute. We enhanced our beauty, baby. Do it like it's your B-Day. What else can I say? Check the description box for all the deets on Ashimary Hair. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and thumbs the video up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so because if you love content like this, then I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy my videos. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
To think I used to dream of being your wife.